God, this one's got even more bouncy, ain't it? Now calm down. See how this is how this one's higher, because it's that slab. Skirt's weak. That gap, you could easily just get through there, but when it's up, because that weight is there. I think when this broke, well, when the arm came off, well, it's just that bit then, wasn't it? I think it just moved a bit. See that? Okay, we got the plate closer now. You see? That was just made. What does zero? I don't know what zero means. No. Now come on then, you. Well, this is going to be a 2-minute bloody closure because you set it off 2 minutes early. Well, 3 minutes early actually, so it could be a 2-minute closer. Yeah, thanks for nearly banging the barrier. Just watch this now. Watch. Hang on, watch. No, he's not. Yeah, you're messing up the barrier, for goodness sake. What does that zero mean? I don't understand. What does zero mean? Well, there it goes. Oh, they just stopped it now.